Hey everyone! I've seen a lot of interest lately in astral projection, so I'm about to break it down for you. So basically, you can view a couple things within the same category. Meditation, which when done well can lead to astral projection. Hypnotism, and your psychology and your physiology. These things all should be taken into account when learning about astral projection and leaving your body in general. One basic fact: when you don't move for more than 15 minutes, your body sets in sleep paralysis. This is accompanied by many twitches and itches and feelings that you need to roll over. If you ignore all of those, your body will essentially shut down so that you don't hurt yourself while you're dreaming. It paralyzes itself. When you understand sleep paralysis, you can start to understand hypnosis and how some people have more proclivity towards hypnosis. In hypnotism, you have somnambulists and then people who are just simply easier to go into hypnosis, but they're not somnambulists. Somnambulism is known as the deepest possible state of hypnosis. It's basically reaching the overconscious of humans, and this was studied in depth by Dolores Cannon. Look her up on YouTube, listen to her lectures. They're long but worth every second. And within magic and occult terms, you have what's known as gnosis. Gnosis is trance. It's that state. It's that hypnotism have accessed the subconscious through the loud noise of the conscious. Gnosis can be reached two ways: either by extreme quiet and calm, the normal way to meditate, the normal way to shut down the body, or excitation. Part 3. To enter gnosis by excitation, you must essentially work yourself into a tizzy. You override the body's senses with extreme emotion, extreme symbolism, sounds, pain, etc., until basically the conscious can't take it anymore and shuts down and you enter trance. In hypnotism, this is known as a quick induction, where some hypnotists will snap and the body will suddenly shut down, or there's multiple methods. So why all this? What is all this about? Well, who cares about all that? Well, that's where you leave your body. When you get to that state by any of those means, that is how you leave your body. And if you can get to those state and remember that and be in control, that is when you control what happens when you leave your body. References and reading material in part 4. Some great places to learn about astral projection a little bit more in depth are as follows. Dolores Cannon, who did past life regression, was one of the first pioneers of past life regression and did it for 40 years on thousands of different clients and came up with some miraculous stuff. Libernal and Psychonaut by Peter J. Carroll, which is basically the Chaos Magician's Bible type thing. It describes everything you need to know about chaos magic, but in it is a really good section about gnosis that will explain that exactly, and like a bunch of ways to do it. Spirit Science on YouTube. Those motherfuckers like changed my whole life when I actually first found them back when I woke up. They're the ones that woke me up. But they have a really good episode on astral travel, is basically what I'm saying. Read on psychology and physiology as well. You have to know about your body and your brain to make it work for you. And meditate. Fair winds and following seas. Hey guys! I just wanted to let every one of you know that I appreciate you beyond explanation. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thanks for any shares and any business that you do with me. I enjoy helping and teaching, and I hope to do it with you guys as long as humanly possible. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time.